Don't freeze.
I miss that sexy smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I will lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time, just us loving you all night long. I can let you go, baby, it's the right, we already know, and we feel it. I really do, I said the truth, we can't go any road. Need you now. I'm your queen and you the king right now. It's a kingdom, let's play it how you like. Haha, doesn't make you feel, or you wanna change, I'll be whatever, what you like. We can dance, you got to move tonight. Stars are watching us in the sky. I wanna last it forever. It's a sexy smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I won't lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time, just us loving you all night long. I can let you go, baby, it's the right, we already know, and we feel it. I really do, I said the truth, we can't go any road. Need you now. Let's change the clothes, we have a drive. You know how you make me feel alive. Come close to me, I'm obsessed with your different kind of style. Don't you ever leave, step by my side. Hold my hand, cause I don't have much time. I wanna hug you forever. Yeah, I miss that sexy smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I will lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time, just us loving you all night long. I miss that sexy smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I will lose control.
really do hope that you guys did enjoy the video.
Your girl's hands, like oh my god, it's a little bit of arm work. But these hairstyles, super cute, super chic. If it's one thing that I know about me myself, is that When I get bored with a hairstyle, I get bored with a hairstyle. If I don't know different ways to style it, I definitely am the type of person that will take out a style. But when you do have versatile styles that you can do, you're definitely more prone to keep the hairstyle in longer, which is why I have always been the traditional type. You feel me? You can never go wrong with box braids. You can never go wrong with some faux locks. You can never go wrong with any of that. But anyways, now I'm just blabbling. But I really do hope that you guys did like this video. And if you did, comment down below if you guys would like to see more videos like this. That is all that I have for you guys today. And again, if you haven't yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you haven't yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. And thank you for viewing. And you guys have a good one.